Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your girl again. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Lily Star Girl. You can also call me LHD for short. And yeah, on today's video, we carry you guys to the farm. We want to go plant some vegetable, then also to set some blocks to avoid cows entering the farm. And my mom is washing, so once it's 8 a.m., we are going to start going. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. We are at the farm now. Let me show you guys around. I need to get change. This is the place we cleared the other day, and it's still growing out because of the 2 days rain. Yeah. So this was what I was telling you guys. So we have to use this block to set the front because of the cows. Let me go show you guys. You need to start planting. Oh my god, I'm so happy doing this. Feel so happy doing this. So this is where we'll be planting stuff first, but they have to, my mom just told someone to help us to, after planting, to help us maintain it. Look at mushroom. This is a plantain. It's growing out here. This is plantain. So all this grass, we are going to just use the knife cutlass to cut it off. So yeah, so this is the fence. The ground is so soft. So yeah, this is where we'll be setting. I don't know why they removed this block. They broke our block. They were supposed to broke our fence. So this is where we'll be setting. Here.
All flat. Well, robots will now be all good. Even if we are I hear erosion sound.
Oh, I have one answer about Missy red sand. Those when Missy concrete by.
Hey, bono one as super water be cement. If I use it and all those small bricks in I use. Washing for.
If I went away, run, it will log in and go back. I said, they came in now. Only this one sell.
What will I see?
That this one said their job.
Lặng nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ. Đêm nhớ từng tin nhắn không ai biết được. Em cũng chỉ cần một chút hơi ấm của anh. But that's enough, your item moves, it's over tonight. Tình hết có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kềm môi vai. You and I. Please don't say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you no more.
at my mom over there, the one wearing red shirt.
Say you love me. Please don't say you love me. Please don't say you love me. Mỗi lần anh hôn sân buồn xuống từ gần bên nhau hơn, mà nhìn đâu im lặng em mất mình lỡ rằng đã yêu nhau, trao nhau những hy vọng nghe dây dứt trong lòng. Is it love? Is it real? Oh baby don't say you. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc một kèm mối quay. You and I, những ký ức khiến ta mệt nhoài, đã đến lúc buông bờ vai. You and I, please don't say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you no more. Please don't say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna hurt me. Hurt me. Please don't say you love 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 me. Please don't say I don't wanna love you. Please don't say you love me. Please don't say you and I. Please don't say you love me. 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 You and I.